Thousands of last-minute registrants flocked to voter registration sites in Manila on the final day before the deadline for the 2026 Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections. Mobile journalist Francis Rivera has the report.
Registration sites saw a massive influx of citizens scrambling to register before the 2026 Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan election deadline on Monday. Some line up in the holding area as early as 7 a.m., an hour before offices open at 8 a.m. District 1, which has the largest voting population in Manila, implemented a cut-off and closed just past 12 noon. As a result, many last-minute registrants were left disappointed after failing to register. Among them was Marvin, who missed the cut-off due to parking difficulties and work commitments.
Hindi pa kami ng parking, kaya tagal lang kami. Sobrang kakaigot, doble ikot. Sobrang tagal yun. Ngayon lang kami nakarating. Ngayon lang may ibakating oras eh. Busy sa trabaho.
Many said they made time to register despite school commitments, citing current social and political issues as among their reason for signing up.
I think it's important po to be socially aware at politically aware kasi hindi rin naman po yan para sa atin kasi pangkalahatan na rin po
na
yan.
Majority din po ng mga youth ay meron pong ipinaglalaban dahil po sa kanilang experiences, and ito pong pagpaparegister ay isa pong progreso and step para matupad po yung pagbabago na ninanais ng bawat Pilipino po.
I realize as well the importance of being a voter and how our voice holds so much power and how it should be used for the right thing for the right people.
According to the Commission on Elections, around 4.7 million registered voters have been recorded since registration opened in October last year. There is no memorandum yet on whether the voter registration will be extended once again. Mga kapatid, mobile journalist Francis Rivera, we are One News.